It's snowing, so I'm sitting outside of my house. Hello everyone, and thank you so much for watching the videos and for subscribing. I love having this channel and I love making the videos. Travel and Geography is almost 2 years old now. For almost 2 years, I've been posting a video every week. 2020 has been a great year for the channel, going from 300 subscribers in April to 30,000 at the end of the year. The channel is now approaching 2 million views. It has been an amazing development. Many of you have seen videos about beautiful countries in the world, because that is one of my goals, to show you how beautiful this planet is, to explore it, learn about it, and talk to you about it. But, here comes the but. For the last few months, I've found it hard to be motivated. It has been a lot of work, and even though I love exploring the world and learning more and more about it, I'm losing inspiration and it affects my creativity. And I think that is because I have not had a break for 2 years. So I'm gonna do myself a favor and take a break for 4 weeks. I'm gonna take a break for 4 whole weeks, then spend some days on making the next video. So that's when I'll be coming back. I hope with this break that I will come back stronger, more motivated, and that it has a positive effect on the next videos. I will also think of new video ideas, so if you have any ideas for me that could be fun to do that is relevant to travel or geography, I'd be glad to hear from you. In the meantime, you can watch some of my older 103 videos, zooming in on videos, a series from my travels in Lebanon, Brazil and Portugal, United States, Norway, and others. Again, thank you for watching. I hope you'll have a great weekend, and I will be back.